Food security. We've all read about it, we've heard about it, but what is it? And why should you care about achieving it? To feed 10 billion people by 2050, we're going to need a whole lot of food. And to achieve that, we're going to need agricultural land expanding to twice the size of India. Now, that doesn't sound very feasible, and that's because it isn't. The Middle East is especially vulnerable, with food imports expected to hit $53 billion by end of next year. To put that number in context, if food imports disappeared in that region, they would only be able to feed 10% of their population. So what are GCC nations doing to address this problem? Well, indoor farming seems to be the answer. And why is that? Well, compared to traditional agriculture, it uses 95% less water, 75% of the input materials needed, half the labor requirements, and produces not 2, not 4, but up to 6 times more output. So as they say in the Middle East, halas, problem solved. Well, not really. So our team dug a little deeper, and we found that 49% of farms are actually unprofitable due to various factors, namely inefficient use of labor. 27% of farms spend more than 20 hours a week on manual testing and data entry. Second, inaccurate yield prediction. The average weekly error for an indoor farm is 19%. Third is pest infestation, which is the biggest problem faced by 37% of all indoor farms. Now, on the flip side, for a profitable farm, they have access to investments, exposure to marketing, state-of-the-art climate control systems, which ensures seamless growing operations. But not a lot of farmers have that luxury, and that's where we come in. At plantOS, we're powering farms of the future, and we seek to empower farmers with data-driven insights that fuel success. So how do we do that? We've created a state-of-the-art integrated precision agriculture system consisting of proprietary hardware, farm management software, visual analysis, and automated nutrient dosing. Now, it just sounds like I just threw a bunch of jargons there, which sounds really cool. But what does that mean to a layman farmer? Well, it means 3 Ps: productivity, prevention, and predictability. With our sensors and farm management software, a farmer will spend 0 time on manual testing. With our visual analysis capability, a farmer can detect the early onset of disease, as well as increase and predict yield by 50% within their first year. So how do we make money? First is through device sales and annual leasing. Second is through monthly subscription fees. And third is through value-added services, namely device maintenance, customization, as well as integration with their existing systems. And how big is the market? So the smart agriculture market has grown from 13.7 billion to 26.8 billion in just a space of 5 years. And now the 3 main drivers is climate change. Yes, it's real. Second, changing consumption patterns. And third, a decrease in technology costs. In terms of our serviceable addressable market, we're focused on the Middle East in particular and Asia Pacific, and we aim to capture 2% of that market share. Now, in terms of competition, majority of our competitors, Autogrow, Motoleaf, and GrowLink, are based in New Zealand, Canada, and United States predominantly, with little or no presence in the Middle East. And we see that as a great opportunity to have a first-mover advantage. Now, our product is going to be launched in January 2020, May 2020, and we're really focused on securing user trials. We've already in conversations with about 20 farms right now, and we have closed about 2. Now, in terms of partners, we're grateful that Tamkeen, which is a Bahrain government sovereign fund, have invested in our project, and Bryn Batelco has given us an office space also based in Bahrain. We've also partnered with the United Nations Technology Innovation Lab, where we're working with them to create a solution for smallholder farmers in Southeast Asia. From a technology perspective, we're a Google Cloud Spark level partner, as well as part of NVIDIA's Inception program. Now, our global team is diversified in terms of talent, from technology, platform, business, hardware product design, as well as data analytics and machine learning. We've further strengthened our team by partnering with a local research university, UPM. And we've retained the advisors who are experts in AI and big data, as well as product design and commercialization. Now, for all of you here wondering, how can you be part of this change? Well, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy local. And it's kind of the same thing. Thank you.